Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Audi A1. So the first thing we need to do is go to settings, then we need to go to Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom of Bluetooth. But over here you've got telephone here. If you click the home screen, if it's on anything else, if you click the home screen, you go back, radio, media, telephone. It's already showing up Audi MMI, but I'm going to click on telephone anyway. Automatic connection to or connect mobile phone. So if I click connect mobile phone, new connection, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. It's always better to do it from the car to the mobile than from the mobile to the car, because then it generates a random pin there, 628725. Click pair, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Just look out for Audi. Where's it gone? Audi. There's two Audis there. Not connected. Not connected. So obviously still thinking about it. There you go. Successfully connected. So let's find it. Audi MMI connected. So that's that. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music in this 2020 Audi A1. So from any screen, it's on telephone at the moment. If you wanted to go straight to audio, you would click the music note. That's already playing. So my phone's connected, there's a tune playing, it's already showing up. If it wasn't, we'll just do that again so as you know what to do. Source, I'll put it on something else. I'll put it on, must have an SD card. So that's on SD card at the moment. So, right, we'll do that again. So what we want to do, we want to play a record. So we go to music, we click on music, that's the record that's playing. You'll see at the bottom there, Audi MMI, try and get it in the shadow. There's no tick next to there, and there's one next to the iPhone. You just need to click on there, click. That means, with the tick there, anything that plays from this phone, if this is set up correctly, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, Apple Music, whatever, the soundtrack from a YouTube video, YouTube music, the audio will come through here, TikTok audio, whatever, it will come through here. So that's playing. It's turned down at the moment. What I do, I go to media, click on media there, so it's automatically gone to Sunflower again, but if it wasn't, if it was on there, you would go back. It just automatically connects. Let's just do that. Sunflower. So last track's played there. So that's playing. I'm going to turn that down. So it's playing there. If it wasn't, if it hadn't automatically connected, and your music's playing here, you go, you click the music note, you go to source, and then your phone, and that's it. That's it playing. If I turn this up now, and then turn this up here, I can hear you telling me to turn around. The music's fantastic, it really is. It's superb. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Audi. First of all, I'll just knock it off here. Can find it. Where's it gone? Audi, not connected, not connected, nothing connected, connected. So over here, forget this device, forget. We go to the system, it was playing music. We go to telephone. If you go on telephone there, no device connected, connect mobile. It's showing. It's counterintuitive. You go to connect mobile, you're not actually wanting to connect to mobile, you're wanting to delete it, but that's the screen that shows you the phones that are connected. Now then, if you go to settings, it just shows you Bluetooth, doesn't do anything. What you have to do is hold your finger on the phone you want to delete. It brings up that screen, delete, delete. That's it gone. That's how you delete a mobile.